тот светлый день, когда земля рождалась, и нас, людей, благословляли боги в Срединном мире жить с добром и верой. В дар для памяти о том чудесном сотворении хомус преподнесли они якутам. Стальной клинок, хранящий сотни звуков, заговорил на многих языках, и песни звонкие якутов озвучил в самых трепетных сердцах.
Хомус. The day when the tribe of great gods was creating this undermoon world. The day when we, two-legged, were blessed to live on earth. The day that we, the Yakuts, were led to live on earth. The day the tribe of great gods created a gift for us, soundful and precious to our hearts, with the shivering tongue, with the iron sting ringing like a string, making 100 various sounds. Dear Hamus, while doing that the tribe of great gods, heartily using all the passionate words, colored as the most colorful rainbow, were putting spells on created Hamus. The frame, the metal strip, we made of the greatest steel. The clips, the bolts, we made of the hardest steel. The loop ring, we made of the strongest steel. The tongue, the plate, we made of the most pure steel. With the sweetest voices of different tribes, we filled the Hamus. All singable words of different tribes, we whispered to it. Melodious murmuring of different tribes, we sent to Hamus. With wonderful songs of different tribes, we blessed to Hamus. Whistles and twitters of various birds, we let into it. We taught it how to be a blow of the light-aired wind. All those who overcome by grief and sorrow, let it sing its songs. Let your spirit be free. Don't let sadness be. Let it sing its songs in the days of great sadness and sorrow and madness. Let it sing its songs, just wrestle and fight. In war don't give up. Let it sing its songs, let it help with your work and free you from tiredness. Let it sing its song.